Hey, I'm here with my student Garrett. He's doing the recording for me. We're gonna unbox this PDP 800 series double bass pedal. Garrett plays the double bass drum, so he's gonna give us a demonstration once we hook it up, right?
Yeah, sure am.
So I'm gonna open it. Okay, it comes in a bag. Right bass pedal, so that's the one that's gonna hook onto your bass drum. Left pedal here. Bag. But the reason why I got these double bass pedals specifically is they were a pretty good price for what it seemed to get. They're double chained right here. And the surface right here, if you've ever played like barefoot or in your socks, sometimes the grooves can like hurt your feet or wear on your feet after a while. So I got one that was completely smooth, and that's what I liked about it. So, and then this comes with the bar here that goes in between the two pedals. And these can be rotated. So you have the softer pad on front here and the harder pad on the back. We're gonna put this together and see what it sounds like. So we just put it together. It was pretty quick to put together. I mean, it only took us like 2 minutes. It doesn't come with a drum key, so you'll need your own drum key. Now we're gonna throw it on the set and see what it sounds like. Make adjustments here so that the double bass pedal can actually fit in my drum set. Oh, well duh, I gotta take out the old one. I'm like, this doesn't fit. In here, voila. Tighten that down with this little screw here on the side. Tightens it. All right, it already sounds sweet. Let's just put this snare drum back. So we made another adjustment. We found out that you can actually loosen that other side down there and it'll extend the bar, because Garrett jumped on and he's like, this feels way too close. And now let's test it out. Let's see how this bad boy works.
You can definitely tell they're new. They move way easier than the old ones. They're much smoother. So you can tell they're new, but they're nice.
Yeah, are they too slippery, like, because they're smooth?
Yeah, they're pretty slick, but...
Is that going to take getting used to?
I don't think so, because mine at home are pretty slick as well. So they're definitely nice. I'd recommend them. Okay.